One funnel away challenge package just came in the mail today. About to do a live open up with y'all. And just bear with me, cause I only got one hand as I'm recording this, yo. All right, opening it up. Haha. Here you go. Your training officially begins now. To each there comes in their lifetime a special moment when they are figuratively tapped on the shoulder and offered the chance to do a very special thing unique to them and fitted to their talents. What a tragedy if their moment finds unprepared or unqualified for that which could have been their finest hour. Sir Winston Churchill. Hopefully I got everything, y'all can see it in the shot. All right, let's see. How we like to earn $100 each time someone joins the funnel with you. Dear friend, want to help friends and followers. Oh, all right. All right, all right. Look at that. Pretty neat, pretty neat. Pretty neat. Oh, it's just the package, yeah? Just the package. Whoa. They got the they going out in the decoration, I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie. All right. Over this stuff live. That's a nice sticker, not gonna lie. Got it wrapped. Got it wrapped. Got it wrapped. He's silly. We also got him on $100 bill. Money, yo. Legit funnel hackers only. United States. All right. Oh, okay. Wait, all right. Special ID. Okay, this one was definitely going to be a bookmark. Yeah, that's what I figured. All right. Okay, here it is. The book. The book. You suddenly lose everything. The 30days.com. Yeah, this is cool. This is a thick book too. Got a lot of knowledge in it too. I'm most definitely gonna be implementing this, yo, in our business for sure. Got a thick. Yeah, this is a thick one. This is a thick one, man. This is a thick one. For sure. Knowledge, 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 knowledge. Can't let it go to waste. You gotta use it. You gotta use it. Look at this. All this 10 comma earners. That's what he said. People who making, shoot, at least 10 million or more. At least 10 million or more, you know. This is great. Nah, this is neat. This is neat. This is neat. This is neat. I'm excited. I'm excited. Hey, Yo. Let's get it. This a lot. This is a lot, bro. Wow. This is gonna add to the plethora of books I got to my library. This is excellent. This is excellent. I must definitely gonna have to look through that one. But let me look through other stuff in here. Let me see what this is. Oh, the MP3. Hey, haha. I got the audios on there. Sweet. This about to be sweet, yo. This is about to be sweet. Not even gonna lie. Oh yeah. Look at that boy. Look at that boy. Haha. Got the metal on there. I feel it. Hey, let's get it. Let's get it. Shoot. Put that to the side. Some more stuff. Let's see. Don't hold back. Okay, the 1 photo away challenge workbook. All right. All this stringy paper. Customize and execute 30-day plan. Got the game plan right on the cover, on the back. Okay. All right. This is neat. This is neat. Oh, so you really work through it? Okay. Great. Things you can write through and answer. This is, oh, you got the schedule time. Okay. All right, man. All right. All right. Let's do it. Let's do it. I'm looking forward to it. I'm looking forward towards it. Let's go. Let's do it. I'm pumped. Wow, this is pumped. So basically, this is like another coach with you as you get to do it yourself. This is amazing. This is amazing. This is amazing. I didn't think I was going to get this much. I really didn't. I just thought I was getting a program and whatnot. But I'm getting this neat stuff inside. This little package bundle, yo. Let me see. Oh, and the rest is styrofoam. Let me see. Yeah, the rest is styrofoam. Okay, that's neat. That's neat, yo. Yep, there it is. It's the box. That's it. You know what I'm saying? It looks real great, man. Real excited. But yeah. I think I showed this last video, but I didn't show it completely. Yeah, but you see the American shirt. A native of America applied to the originals or copper color races. Here found by Europeans. Now applied to the descendants of Europeans born in America. Source Webster's 1828 First Dictionary. That's their first dictionary, by the way. We got that available at healingthroughinspiration.com/shop. Make sure you go get them. There's only a limited supply last. And for you guys who want healing, coaching, and whatnot, make sure you hit us up in the info in the description box below, okay? We got lots of tons of great content on there for sure. And make sure you get in touch with us. Make sure you like and share and subscribe because we got a lot more content coming out. All right. Peace, y'all.